Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel NCRT Maths Hub. Today in this video we will do worksheet number 45 for class 9 subject mathematics. Students, in this video we are going to learn about the volume of right circular cone. So required previous knowledge is understanding of a right circular cone and its surface area. So स्टूडेंट्स हम पढ़ें वॉल्यूम ऑफ राइट सर्कुलर कॉन, उससे पहले आपको समझ होनी चाहिए ये राइट सर्कुलर कॉन क्या होता है एंड सरफेस एरिया क्या होता है. सो चिल्ड्रन, यू नो दैट इफ एन ऑब्जेक्ट इज सॉलिड then the space occupied by such an object can be measured and it is termed as volume of object. So if the object is hollow, means खोखला है, खाली है, in that case volume of substance that can be filled in the interior of object is called as capacity of container. So now the unit of measurement of either of two is cubic unit. Means either of two means it may be volume or it may be capacity, and both have the same unit, that is cubic unit. If r is the base radius and h is the height of cone, then the volume of cone will be 1 by 3 pi r square h. So volume of cone is 1 by 3 pi r square h, keep in mind. But think about that, why the volume of cone is 1 by 3 pi r square h. 1 by 3 and pi r square h is the volume of cylinder. So volume of cone is 1/3 of the volume of cylinder. So now you can perform an activity for this result and you will find the result is volume of cone will be equals to 1 by 3 of volume of cylinder. So now for activity you can take a hollow right circular cone of height h and base radius r, and also take a hollow right circular cylinder of same height h and base radius r such that it is open at top. देखिए सिलेंड्रिकल आपका जो होना चाहिए वो ओपन होना चाहिए टॉप से एंड क्लोज एट बॉटम, सो दैट हम उसमें क्वांटिटी फिल कर सकें. सो नाउ फिल द कॉन विद द सॉल्ट, और यू कैन से शुगर, और यू कैन से वाटर, और यू कैन से सैंड. सो हम क्या करेंगे, कॉन को फिल करेंगे विद द हेल्प ऑफ सैंड, सॉल्ट, शुगर और वाटर. सो अप टू ब्रिम, किनारे तक भर देंगे. सो नाउ पोर द एंटायर क्वांटिटी ऑफ सॉल्ट इनटू द सिलेंडर. अब जो आपने फिल किया है कॉन को सॉल्ट से, उसको फिल कर, इसको पोर कर दीजिए, डाल दीजिए इसमें सिलेंडर में. सो नाउ फिल द कोन अगेन विद द सॉल्ट एंड पोर दिस सॉल्ट अगेन इनटू द सिलेंडर, एंड वंस अगेन फिल द कोन विद द सॉल्ट एंड देन पोर इट इनटू द cylinder. So now we will observe that the volume of cylinder is 3 times the volume of cone of same height h and same radius r. Since the volume of cylinder with the height h and base radius r is given by pi r square h, so that volume of cone with the same height h and base radius r will be 1 by 3 pi r square h. So this is the result. So note that if the base radius and height of the right circular cylinder and right circular cone are same, then the volume of cone is 1/3 of the volume of cylinder. So now let's begin, children. Solve some example to develop better understanding of the volume of cone. So in the first example we have, find the volume of right circular cone with the base radius 6 cm and height 7 cm. So now radius of cone, that is we have given 6 cm and height of cone that is 7 cm. So now the volume of cone will be 1 by 3 pi r square h. So 1 by 3 pi is 22 by 7 and radius is 6, so that r square will be 6 into 6 and height is 7. So put all the values and simplify. After simplify we will get 264 cubic centimeter as the volume of cone. So hence the volume of right circular cone is 264 centimeter cube. So now in the example number 2, the height of cone is 15 centimeter, and if it is volume is 1570 centimeter cube, find the radius of base. That means we are to find the radius r. So volume of cone we are given, that is 1570 centimeter cube, and height that is 15 centimeter. So the radius of base, let us assume that r centimeter. So volume of cone will be 1 by 3 pi r square h. So put all the values here, and r is unknown to us, so we can find r from here, and r will be 10 centimeter. So now proceed for example number 3. Find the capacity in liters of a conical vessel with the radius 7 centimeter and slant height we are given, that is 25 centimeter. So now radius of conical vessel is 7 centimeter and slant height L equals to 25 centimeter. So we can find the height of conical vessel by using the relation, that is L square equals to R square plus H square, that is the slant height. Or you can say this is the hypotenuse, L is the hypotenuse of right angle triangle, as this is H and this is R. So this is the hypotenuse of right angle triangle. So you know hypotenuse square equals to क्या होता है, base square perpendicular square, or you can say sum of square of other two smaller sides. So L square will be equals to R square plus H square. So put all the values, that is L and R here, we can find H, and H is 24 centimeter. So now capacity of conical vessel will be, that is the volume of conical vessel equals to 1 by 3 pi r square h. Put all the values here and you will find 1.232 liters. So hence the capacity of conical vessel is 1.232 liters. So keep in mind 1000 centimeter cube equals to क्या होता है 1 liter होता है, keep in mind, and 1 meter cube equals to 1000 liter, keep in mind 1000 liter. So 1 meter cube equals to 1000 liter and 1000 cubic centimeter equals to 1 liter, keep in mind. So now proceed, and we have 4 questions for practice. So move ahead for the solution part. And in the first question, the height and the slant height of a cone are 21 centimeter and 28 centimeter respectively. Find the volume of cone. So we are given the height and slant height of cone. So given height of cone is 21 centimeter and slant height of cone is 28 centimeter. So let radius of cone to be r. So as r square plus h square equals to l square, we know that the slant height relation is l square equals to r square plus h square, or you can say r square plus h square equals to l square. Put the values here and we will find r. As you can see, l we are given that is 28, h is given 21, so 28 square becomes 784 and 21 square becomes 441. So now r square will be equals to 343 and r will be square root of 343, and here it will be 7 root 7 centimeter. So now the volume of cone. Volume of cone will be 1 by 3 pi r square h. Put all the values here, 1 by 3 pi 22 by 7, and r square you can see directly from here, that is 343 and h is 21. So 7 3 is 21 will be cancelled here. So now 22 into 343 will be 7546 centimeter cube, and this is all about question number 1. So now proceed for question number 2. The volume of right circular cone is 9856 centimeter cube. If the diameter of base is 28 centimeter, find the height of cone, slant height of the cone and curved surface area of cone. So देखिए हमें क्या given है, volume of cone given है और diameter of base of the cone given है, that is 28 centimeter. So that radius will be 14 centimeter. So now we need to find height of cone, slant height of cone and curved surface area of cone. So let's begin. We are given diameter of cone, that is 28 centimeter, and radius of cone, that is 28 by 2, 14 centimeter. So now the volume of cone is given, that is 9856 centimeter cube, but we know that volume of cone equals to क्या होता है 1 by 3 pi r square h होता है. So that 1 by 3 pi r square h equals to 9856, and put the values of radius here. So 1 by 3 and pi 22 by 7, radius is 14 and 14 again, as this is r square, into height h equals to 9856. So now you can see here 7 to the 14 and put right transpose all the values to the right hand side, and you will get h equals to 9856 into 3. This 3 will be transposed to the right hand side and become multiplication, and 22 into 2 become 44, and this 14 will be here. So now after simplifying you will get this will be 48. So height is 48. So the height of cone is 48 centimeter. So height of cone क्या है 48 centimeter हमें मिल जाता है. So now proceed for the slant height of cone. So slant height of cone is L equals to under the root r square plus h square. So this will be under the root r square, we have 14 square and h square is 48 square. So 14 square becomes 196 and 48 square will be 2304. So after adding you will get it 2500, and square root of 2500 will be 50. So 50 centimeters. Slant height of cone is 50 centimeter. So now the curved surface area of cone will be pi r l. Curved surface area क्या है आपका pi r l. So put all the values here. Pi 22 by 7, radius is 14 and l we have already find, that is 50. So after simplifying you will get it is 2200 centimeter square. Why? 2 into 50 become 100, 100 into 22 becomes 2200. So 2200 centimeter square is the curved surface area of cone. This is all about question number 2. So now proceed for question number 3. So now in question number 3, a heap of wheat is in the form of a cone whose diameter is 10.5 meter and height is 3 meter. So find its volume. So देखिए हमें क्या गिवन है, डायमीटर ऑफ हीप ऑफ व्हीट गिवन है, जो गेहूं की डेरी है उसका बेस का डायमीटर गिवन है. सो वी कैन फाइंड रेडियस एंड हाइट इज गिवन, दैट इज 3 मीटर. फाइंड इट्स वॉल्यूम. वी नीड टू फाइंड इट्स वॉल्यूम एंड द हीप इज टू बी कवर्ड बाय द कैनवस टू प्रोटेक्ट इट फ्रॉम द रेन. अब डेरी को हमें बारिश से बचाना है, उसके लिए हमें कवर करना है. फाइंड द एरिया ऑफ कैनवस रिक्वायर्ड, और हमें क्या करना है, एरिया ऑफ कैनवस जो तिरपाल से ढकना है, कैनवस लगाना है, उसका एरिया भी फाइंड आउट करना है. सो लेट्स बिगिन विद द सॉल्यूशन. We are given the diameter of heap of wheat is 10.5 meters, so that radius of heap of wheat जो गेहूं की ढेरी है उसका रेडियस क्या हो जाएगा, दैट इज 10.5 by 2, डायमीटर का हाफ हो जाएगा, एंड दैट विल बी, वी कैन राइट इट एज 105 by 20. Remove this decimal and put it here 10 in the denominator. So after simplifying you will get 21 by 4 meter. So radius of heap of wheat is 21 by 4 meter, and height of the heap of wheat is given, that is 3 meter. So now volume of heap of wheat will be 1 by 3 pi r square h. Put all the values here, and volume will be 1 by 3, and pi is 22 by 7, and radius is 21 by 4 and 21 by 4 into 3. So that after simplifying you can see here you will get 86.625 meter cube. Simplify it carefully and you will get answer as 86.625 meter cube. That is the volume of heap of wheat. So now proceed for the slant height, as we need to find the area of canvas. So first of all we need to find the slant height of cone. So you can see slant height of cone is equals to under the root r square plus h square. So r square, r is 21 by 4, so put here 21 by 4. So that it will be 21 by 4 square, and height is 3 meters, so put here 3. So 21 by 4 square means 21 square become 441, and 4 square become 16, 3 square become 9, and after taking LCM you will get 441 plus 144 by 16, and now this will be 585 upon 16, and now the square root of 585 will be 24.9. You can find this by long division method. आप long division method से इसको solve कर सकते हैं by, जैसा कि आप टीचर ने सिखाया, पेयरिंग करेंगे और उसको सिंप्लीफाई कर लीजिएगा. आफ्टर सिंप्लीफाइंग यू विल गेट 24.19, एंड 16 का स्क्वायर रूट क्या होगा 4. सो नाउ डिवाइड 24.19 विद द 4 एंड यू विल गेट 6.05 मीटर अप्रॉक्सीमेट. सो आपको स्लैंट हाइट मिल जाती है 6.05 मीटर अप्रॉक्सीमेटली. सो नाउ द एरिया ऑफ कैनवस रिक्वायर्ड. सो देखिए एरिया ऑफ जो कैनवस है, जो गेहूं की ढेरी को ढकने के लिए चाहिए आपको, सो उसका एरिया क्या हो जाएगा. सो एरिया ऑफ कैनवस रिक्वायर्ड इज पाई आर एल, दैट इज द कर्व्ड सरफेस एरिया ऑफ cone. So put the value of pi 22 by 7, r that is 21 by 4, and l is 6.05. So after simplifying you can see here 33 into 6.05 by 2, and it will be 199.65 by 2, and this will be 99.825 meter square, and this is the area of canvas required. So this is all about question number 3. So now we will proceed for question number 4. A right circular triangle, sorry, a right angle triangle ABC with the side 5 cm, 12 cm and 13 cm is revolved about the side 12 cm. Find the volume of solid so obtained. So देखिए हम एक राइट एंगल ट्राइंगल को रिवॉल्व करते हैं तो हमें क्या मिलता है, कॉनिकल शेप मिलती है. सो दिस इज द सॉलिड शेप, दैट इज कॉनिकल शेप. सो वी नीड टू फाइंड द वॉल्यूम ऑफ दिस शेप. सो we have given the sides of right angle triangle, that is, and the triangle is revolved about the side 12 centimeters, so that 12 is here, that is height of cone, and base radius will be 5. As you know, 13 is the longest side, and longest side will be the hypotenuse in the right angle triangle, so 13 will be the hypotenuse. So now given sides of right angle triangle ABC are 5 centimeter, 12 centimeter and 13 centimeter. We are given as triangle is revolved about the side 12 centimeter, that's why height of cone will be 12 centimeter. So now base radius of cone will be 5 centimeter. So now volume of cone will be 1 by 3 pi r square h. So that put all the values here, 1 by 3 pi, that is 22 by 7, radius is 5, and it is again 5 as it is r square, and h is 12. So after simplifying you will get 2200 by 7 centimeter cube, or you can directly use it as 100 pi. Why 100 pi? You can keep it same, keep it as it is, pi remain as it is. So this will be 5 into 5 25 into 4 become 100. So 100 pi centimeter cube. So आप इसको ये भी यूज़ कर सकते हैं और ये भी यूज़ कर सकते हैं. And this is all about question number 4 and worksheet number 45. So if you learn from this video, please do subscribe my channel and share this video as much as you can. Thanks for watching.